Thinking about buying a Breville juicer but completely overwhelmed by all the different models? Well, you might be about to waste a few $100 if you choose the wrong one. I found a couple of popular models you should definitely avoid and one specific machine that completely changed my morning routine. Let me explain. 6. Breville BJE 430 SIL Juice Fountain Cold. On paper, this sounds like a pretty great deal. It is one of their entry-level cold centrifugal juicers. The whole selling point here is that it extracts juice without heating it up, theoretically protecting all those delicate vitamins and minerals that you are trying to drink in the first place. When I first pulled it out of the box, I was honestly quite impressed by the sheer size of the included juice jug. It holds over 2 liters of liquid, which is fantastic if you are prepping for a big family or hosting a brunch. You can literally just juice once and stick the whole jug in the fridge for a couple of days. The feeding chute is also massive. You can chuck whole apples and large chunks of cucumber in there without needing to spend time chopping them up first. But here's where things start to fall apart a bit. I mean, the motor is decently powerful, but it is incredibly loud. We're talking actual jet engine loud. If you live in an apartment and want to make yourself some healthy juice at 6 in the morning, your neighbors are going to absolutely hate you. It shakes the whole counter when it really gets going. And then there's the extraction efficiency. Well, during my carrot and apple tests, I noticed that the pulp coming out into the bin was consistently wet, like really wet. That means you are leaving a lot of expensive juice behind in the trash.
5. Breville Big Squeeze BJS 700 IL. This is a masticating juicer, meaning it slowly crushes the produce instead of spinning it at high speeds. Slow juicers are supposed to give you a significantly higher yield, especially for difficult leafy greens like spinach, kale, and wheatgrass. I really wanted to love this one. The vertical design takes up way less counter space than the traditional horizontal models, which is a huge plus if you have a smaller kitchen with limited room. It also has a really nice heavy feel to it that makes it seem incredibly premium. You know, it just looks like a serious professional piece of equipment sitting there on your counter. The juice quality itself is actually quite good. It produces a really thick, rich juice with barely any foam on top, which feels very luxurious to drink. When I tested it on a large batch of carrots, ginger, and turmeric, the flavor was incredibly intense and vibrant. The slow extraction definitely protects the flavor profile of the ingredients. But, and this is a massive but, the prep work required for this machine is absolutely exhausting. Despite the name suggesting a big squeeze, the actual feed chute inside the mechanism is awkwardly designed. You have to chop fibrous things like celery and carrots into tiny little half-inch pieces, or else the auger just completely jams up and stops spinning. I mean, I spent way more time chopping vegetables than I did actually juicing them. And if it does jam, the reverse function only works half the time. I had to completely disassemble the sticky juice-covered machine twice during a single test run just to clear a stubborn blockage.
4. Breville Juice Fountain Plus JE98XL. Now we are finally getting into the good stuff. This is arguably one of the most popular juicers in the entire world, and honestly, after testing it extensively, it is very easy to see why so many people buy it. This machine is a traditional centrifugal juicer, and it is all about raw speed and everyday convenience. If you are someone who just wants to throw some apples, carrots, and oranges into a machine and have a full glass of juice 10 seconds later, this is exactly what you are looking for. The 850-watt motor is surprisingly powerful and tackles hard produce with zero hesitation. I was really surprised by how well it handled a complex mix of soft and hard fruits. The dual speed control actually makes a huge difference here in your final yield. You use the low speed for softer things like watermelon, berries, or spinach, and the high speed for dense items like apples and beets. It just powers through everything you throw at it without bogging down. Let me explain why I like this one so much for normal households. The cleanup is actually very manageable. Most of the plastic parts are completely dishwasher safe, and the overall design just makes physical sense. You pop it apart, give it a very quick rinse under the tap, and toss it in the top rack of your dishwasher.
It completely removes the friction of daily juicing. You know, it might not get every single microscopic drop of juice out of a leaf of kale like an expensive slow juicer would, but the trade-off in speed is completely worth it for most people.
3. Breville Big Squeeze Slow Juicer. I know we discussed the Big Squeeze earlier, but viewing this purely through the lens of slow juicer technology changes the conversation entirely. When you learn to work with its specific rhythm, the overall experience with this dedicated model category is actually quite impressive. This machine is truly designed for the serious juice enthusiast who wants cafe-quality results at home. If you are doing green juices every single day and spending a lot of money on produce, this is where you should be looking. The ultra-low speed extraction is incredibly gentle on the ingredients. It keeps all the nutrients perfectly intact and prevents rapid oxidation, meaning your green juice stays beautifully bright green instead of turning into a weird brown sludge after 10 minutes. I tested this with a very heavy batch of wheatgrass, kale, and cucumbers to see how it handled the tough stuff. The yield was absolutely phenomenal. The pulp that came out was basically dry dust, which tells you immediately that it is extracting maximum value from your expensive produce. Nothing goes to waste here. What really sets this apart when you use it correctly is the smart cap and the overall build quality of the central juicing bowl. You can mix your juice right inside the machine before releasing it into your glass. It creates this perfectly blended, incredibly smooth final product that tastes like something you would pay $10 for at a high-end health food store. Sure, you still have to respect the machine and feed it properly, but the results are undeniably delicious.
Breville Commercial CJE 830BSS1. This thing is definitely not playing around. It is a serious investment for people who take their juicing lifestyle to the extreme. When I pulled this out of the massive box, I was genuinely a little intimidated by it. It is built out of heavy brushed stainless steel and feels like it belongs in the back of a busy cafe. The commercial-grade motor is variable speed, letting you dial in the exact RPM you need for highly specific types of produce to maximize your yield. I decided to push this machine to its absolute limits just to see what would happen. I fed it whole beets, giant carrots, and massive handfuls of celery all at the exact same time. It did not even flinch or slow down. The extra-large 3.5-inch feeding chute means you basically do zero prep work. You just drop whole things in, and the machine turns them into liquid instantly. Here is what matters most about this Pro model. The cold spin technology actually works perfectly, even under heavy load. Even when running at top speed and blasting through highly dense root vegetables, the juice comes out surprisingly cold. It does not heat up at all, which is usually the biggest drawback of these high-speed commercial machines. Well, you might be thinking this is total overkill for a normal home kitchen, but if you have a big family, or if you like to meal prep gallons of juice for the entire week on Sunday, this is your dream machine. Breville BJE 530BSS Juice Fountain Cold Plus. This is the ultimate sweet spot. This is the machine that perfectly balances purchase price, daily performance, and everyday usability better than anything else in their entire lineup. Let me explain why this one wins over the others so easily. It basically takes all the best features of the massive commercial models we just talked about and scales them down into a much more reasonable footprint that actually fits under your normal kitchen cabinets. You still get the fantastic cold spin technology, and you still get that massive time-saving feed chute. During my extensive testing, I found myself naturally reaching for this specific model every single morning. It is just so incredibly easy to live with on a daily basis. I can toss in a whole apple, a peeled lemon, and a large chunk of ginger, and I have a perfect, vibrant glass of juice in literally about 5 seconds flat. The custom-designed juice nozzle is a small detail, but it is absolutely brilliant in practice. It lets you juice directly into a single glass with zero splashing and no mess. No more wiping down your kitchen counter every single time you make breakfast. And the massive jug that comes with it seals up perfectly for storing leftover juice safely in the fridge for days. If you want the absolute best overall juicing experience without spending commercial-level money, this is the one to get. It extracts an impressive amount of high-quality juice, the daily cleanup takes less than 2 minutes, and it looks beautiful sitting out on the counter.
Final thought. That's all for today, folks.